March at NAP. What was going through your mind? How amazed were you to see your Roadster up there with Starman just cruising along with the Blue Planet? And how long will we be getting live views, do you think, from the car?
Well, I think it looks so ridiculous and impossible. And you can tell it's real because it looks so fake, honestly.
Yeah, I think that it looks fake because it objectively is fake. Um, this is just another revelation of the method. Elon Musk revealing you the truth in plain sight, and people still believe this cartoon is real. I mean, it's. I thought at first that most people just kind of thought this was like a tongue-in-cheek joke by Elon Musk, and nobody actually believed it's real. And then come to find out, I find that there's tons of people online that are just defending this to the death, like it's completely real. And I just like I couldn't figure out why people believe this was real. Like, what is wrong with you? Like this has so many glitches and issues, and it just doesn't even look real. And I thought it was like my moral obligation to just point out all of the fraud with this video. I mean, people are literally believing in a cartoon, and it's just a bunch of nonsense. I mean, the fact that people buy this and think it's real is just is nuts. I mean, look at these guys. Yeah, we sent a Tesla to space. Oh, so cool. Like, I mean, it's just they're so lost in the space sauce. I mean, they just totally believe this is like the real deal. So we're gonna just put an end to this whole Tesla Roadster in space, and we're gonna just irrefutably, objectively prove it's completely fake. So we'll go ahead and jump into that. All right, so we are gonna get into the first part of this video, and actually, when we first see the Tesla, to me, this is the part that um, literally just completely 100% objectively debunks this entire video, like right off the bat. And it's, right when you first see the Tesla, um, you're going to see just some undeniable proof that this was faked. Um, and and I'm surprised that more people didn't catch this because it's so obvious. It's right there. So here is the right before the separation fairing of the Tesla allegedly fairing from the rocket. Now, if you look at the background here, you'll notice something very distinct here. And if you actually look at the image from earlier here of the filming studio where it's filmed, because obviously this isn't this isn't the rocket here. This is a film studio. You can see the cameras and the backdrop and everything. You notice anything that looks similar here in the background? Notice this little part here that's the backdrop that's connected together. Yeah, that's the same backdrop that's over here. And to even further prove that, if you look at the little hatch marks here where it closes shut, this is the front of the car. So the front of the car is over here. Look at this hatch right here, and look at that hatch there. And the back of the car, look at the hatch here. Look at the hatch there. It's the same exact backdrop. They literally forgot to Photoshop this out of the video footage, which is it's just so lazy and just sloppy editing. To me, that just right there, right out the gates, that just completely debunks the entire video. The car never even left the film studio, and there it is, back behind the backdrop there where they green screened the earth behind it in. And actually, if you also look here too, Pause it for a sec. Notice these support brackets that are hanging out from the front of the car. They didn't even Photoshop those out of the footage. They're still in the background of the video. I mean, come on, give me a break. This is just a joke. And you're gonna see here too that you're gonna see it gets worse. Like you're gonna see the background starts to glitch out. And we're gonna get into that here shortly. So here is where you're gonna see the background, the layered in earth here, because it's layered in on a green screen. It glitches out here, and it's going to be pretty obvious that it's green screened in. Let's go ahead and play it here. Pay attention about right here. See that glitch where it just glitched out? And it did it again. And then it did it again. It glitched out like 3 or 4 times there. I'm going to do it one more time. And there's more of these too. You're gonna see this next glitch that I show is like way more prominent. It's just very obvious. But yeah, watch here. Watch close, right on the perimeter of the Earth here. Glitch, and it glitched out again, and one more time. See, that's just showing you that it's layered in to the backdrop. It's green screened in. But this one here is even worse. So let's go ahead and play this one. Watch right here. See that glitch? Right there, how it got all fuzzy. Again. What was that? Look at this. There's like lines coming out of the side of the Earth there. What was that? I mean, that is just ridiculous. I gotta pause this here when it does that. That is, it's ridiculous. Look at this. It's literally just it's a green screen glitch. It's like glitching out against the backdrop there. What is this? I mean, this is just it's just nonsense. I mean, what a joke. And people believe this is real and they'll defend this. Elon Musk is telling you that it's fake. They couldn't even Photoshop out the backdrop or the camera support brackets. And look at all these glitches here. I mean, it's completely destroys this entire video. I mean, it's a fake CGI cartoon. I don't get how people believe this. I mean, what a joke. I'd love to see, you know, all the space fanboys try to defend this. Like, what is your excuse for this? I mean, what a absolute joke.
Let's moving on to SpaceX and the entire.
Muted. I want to see the SpaceX fanboys defend this one, bro. Like we briefly covered this last week, but watch this. This is ridiculous. First of all, just look at it right now. It's ridiculous. You think this is real? What happened to you that you think this is real? But just watch this. It's provably not real.
Entire Earth glitches out, both under the tires, through the tires. How does that happen? How can you explain this? And it's either layering or it's a car in front of a huge monitor. But either way, the screen in the background glitched out. And I didn't bother looking for the source of this. This is all over YouTube. I probably should have put it in there, but it's everywhere. And as if this wasn't bad enough, they had multiple angles going. And you caught it from this angle as well. Watch the supposed ball Earth glitch out.
Did you see that, bro?
Supposed ball Earth glitch out. So from both angles. And you can find this right on SpaceX's YouTube channel.
Wow, bro. And by the way, they say that they put the car in space as is, right? Exactly as is. That was the whole talking point. Obviously, how do you put a car with tires in space? But you notice something that is noticeably and distinctly different from a car as is. Supposedly, this car was just driven. It was just taken off the lot. It was just put into space as is. That was the whole point. Well, they did make a change to it. They removed the rear view mirror. Why would they do that? How much does a rear view mirror weigh? You have a whole car in space. Why would you take the mirror off but lie about it and claim you put it out there the way it is? Oh, because the rear view mirror would show what's behind you, and in studio films, that's called the fourth wall. You can only show the audience 3 walls. There's always the fourth wall, where the director is, where the camera is, where everything behind the shot is. There's no way to fake that because the camera's in the way. So they removed the rearview mirror so that they could remove the fourth wall because this is in a studio.
You can tell it's real because it looks so fake, honestly.
It does look fake. I agree with you.